In this video, we will show you how to turn off verification code on Squarespace websites. If you want to log in on your Squarespace account and every you log in, you need to input the verification code, then you can disable it. How to do that? First, in here, you need to log in into your account.squarespace.com, okay, using this URL. After that, you can select account settings in here and select account and security. There is option you can turn off the two-factor authentication and account recovery. In here, you need to select two-factor authentication. Okay. In here, there are passkey, authentication app, and text message. In here, you need to disable all of this. Okay. If you ever enable this, you can just turn off the authentication app and text message. In my case, I'm not yet set up for verification code. So when I log in into my Squarespace website, I don't need to input the verification code. That's all tutorial how to turn off verification code on Squarespace website. Thanks for watching.